Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about types of operating systems. Okay, so I will explain everything in a very simple way so you can easily understand. Okay, so first one is batch operating system. So basically, in a batch OS, jobs or tasks that are similar are grouped together. Okay. See. So basically in a batch OS, jobs or tasks that are similar are grouped together and run one after another. Okay. So there is no interaction with the user while the job is running. Okay. See. For example, if a company wants to calculate payroll for all employees, so all the payroll jobs can be submitted together and run as a batch. Okay. And example of batch OS is IBM OS 360. Okay. Now, second one is time sharing operating system. Means time sharing operating system, also called TSS. Okay. So in this operating system, multiple users can use the computer at the same time. Okay. So basically in time sharing operating system, multiple users can use the computer at the same time. So CPU gives each user a small slice of time called a time slice. Okay. So this way every user feels that they are using the computer alone. Okay. So for example, like Unix is a time sharing operating system. Okay. So third one is real time operating system. See, this operating system is used when the computer has to respond immediately to some input or event. Okay. For example, in robotics, medical equipment, or traffic control systems. Okay. So basically, RTOs can be hard real time where deadlines are strict, or soft real time where small delays are acceptable. Okay. Example like RTOs are VxWorks, RTL Linux, and QNX. Okay. Now distributed operating system. So here many computers are connected and work together as if they are a single system. Okay. Like, see, See, here in distributed operating system, many computers are connected and work together as if they are a single system. Many computer are connected and work together. Okay, work together as if they are a single system. Okay, single system. So basically task and resources are shared among multiple computers. Okay, so basically this increases efficiency and makes the system more reliable. Okay, more reliable. Okay, example of distributed OS are locus. Okay, now fifth one is network operating system or NOS. Basically a network operating system provides services to computers that are connected on a network, that are connected on network. Okay, so it allows sharing files and printers, managing users and securing resources. Okay, it allows sharing files, printers, managing users and securing resources. Example include like Windows Server, NetWare and Linux with networking services. Okay, so basically these were the like main types of operating system. First one is batch OS, then time sharing OS, then real time OS, distributed OS, network OS. See, first one is batch OS. Okay, then time sharing OS, then real time OS. Okay, then distributed OS. Then network OS. Okay, so these were the main types of operating system. Okay, first one is batch OS, then time sharing OS, then real time OS, then distributed OS, then network OS. Okay, so I hope you now understand the differences and uses of each operating system. Okay.